Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today, we're gonna unbox Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy egg.
Kinder Joy egg.
Oh. Okay, let's open it. Uy, ito, sige, go. Open. Oh. How many eggs are in there?
5.
Oh, 5, let's count.
1,
1, 2, 3. This is 3. Okay, open. Oh. Pwede mo open now. Can I help you? Oy, kuya, ay ading.
Ading!
You wait. Oh, this is Oh, ito. Ito yung ito yung open mo na.
This is yours.
Remove and open it. Hi, Adi.
Isama mo siya para hindi siya umiiyak.
Yan. Open mo na.
Daddy, isama mo si Evan.
Hi, Evan. Oh, dito ka sa table. Iwan. Dito sa table. Hindi ko kunin na Adi. Uy, what's this? Uy. Open ka na ulit ng isa pa. Tabuin to ni Daddy. Ay,
May medyo join dyan, oh.
ano ba natin ito bubuuin?
Si Ading yan ah.
Teka lang. It's a fossil. It's a fossil.
I cannot do it.
You can do it.
I can do it.
One more. Ito. Yan. Go. Wow. What's this? Paano na naman itong Kinder Joy mo ah? Ha?
Si Evan. Nakakatawa dyan si Evan. Other one, yung last na egg.
Nasa egg ba? Later. Okay na. Oh. Ito. Open mo to. Oh, yeah. Sige, open. Wow! What's that? It's a truck.
And the agency previously headed by the good gentleman also has a program which may apply to the unions
Can I see that, toy?
under the SWD. It could also be
That's the last one. This is the last one. We got 3 eggs now.
Nak, can I see the, toy? Yan, oh. Yung nasa table mo. What's this?
Oh, look. It's a car. Look, it's a car.
Wow.
It's a truck.
Parang shock. Yung isa.
It's like a top. Spinning top.
Oh, that's all, guys. Kami yun.
Guys,
Oh.
See you on my next vlog. Oh, say bye na.
bye.
Hey, bye, look
You
at the
gonna eat
camera.
na?
Bye.
Papain na siya. Bye!